Hi, this is Teacher Maria of the Q's Academy. Welcome to our new lesson. Our topic is about physical change, its definition, and examples. Our objective is that students will be able to describe what a physical change is and provide examples from everyday life. What is a physical change? A physical change involves a change in physical properties. When you say physical properties, it's the outward appearance of the matter. In a physical change, the appearance or form of the matter changes, but the kind of matter in the substance does not change. Only the appearance or the form, but the substance remain. It involves changes in shape or size. Physical changes are limited to changes that result in a difference in the display without changing the composition. The display or the outward appearance of the matter changes when it undergoes physical change. These are the common changes. First, the texture. When you see the object from smooth to rough, or like rough becomes smooth, that is the texture, the changes in texture. How about color? Like, for example, you will mix two different color paints. So the color will be change. So that is one of the changes. The temperature, for example, the boiling water or ice water or cold water. Then the shape from big to small, like when you trim or when you cut, that is changing in the shape. Change of state, like for example, melting from solid and then it melts or it freeze, so that is the change of state. So when the object or matter undergo these changes, then that is one way to identify that that is a physical change. Examples of physical changes are melting. For example, ice melts, freezing, condensing, breaking, crushing, cutting, bending, boiling, and shredding. These are the examples of physical change. So, by the way, what is a reversible physical change? So when you say reversible, it is a kind of change where the substance can go back to its original form. This means that even though the appearance or state of the substance may change, nothing new is created. Even though there are changes, but if the substance did not change, that is uh, a physical change, but it undergoes reversible change. For example, melting ice. When ice melts, it turns into water, right? But if you put the water in a freezer, it will turn back into ice. Then that is a reversible change because the ice can go back to being solid. So the water did not change into something new. It is still water, just in a different form. Okay? Another example, in a no, in a reversible physical change, the material stays the same and you can reverse the process. So we will know it later on. Okay, so in this change or in the reversible physical change, take note that nothing new is created. The change can go backward and the material can return to how it was before the change. Like, for example, your chocolate melts, but when you put it in the ref, it will go return back into, yes, hard again. So that is a reversible physical change. We have many examples of physical change. So let us discuss now. First is crushing a can. No, try to crush a can. No matter how much you crush, it is still a tin can. It does not change in its composition. The can did not change into something like it will become to another object, but still it's a can. And we have melting an ice cube. Its shape changes at as it acquires the ability to flow. However, the composition does not change. So if the ice melts and then you will put it again in the freezer, so it will go back into an ice cube. So this is another example of reversible physical change. Boiling water. This is because the chemical composition of water does not change throughout the process of boiling. So it's still a water. So that is a physical change. Mixing sand and water. Sand and water have no reactivity toward each other. So there are new substance created. No, so that's why mixing sand and water is still a physical change. Breaking a glass, the shards are still glass, but can't be easily made whole again. So this is an example of physical change. Another example, dissolving sugar and water. When you dissolve sugar, no, even though you cannot see that the appearance of the sugar, but what the sugar molecules are disappeared within the water, but the individual sugar molecules are unchanged. It's in the glass of the water. So it's in the glass, still in the glass, and with the water. So that is an example of physical change. Shredding or cutting a paper, of course, a physical change, right? There are no, only the appearance of the paper is changed, but the composition of the paper is not changed. Chopping wood, there is no change in the original composition of the wood. Also, no new substances are formed. So, chopping wood is a physical change. Mixing red and green marbles. It is a reversible. You can separate them back even after mixing, but this is a physical change. Nothing, the composition did not change. Sublimation of dry ice. Physical change when it sublimates from the solid to gaseous state without first melting into a liquid. So the substance remains the same. So nothing changes. So this is a physical change. Crumpling a paper. It is a physical change. Paper, the pieces of paper are still part of the paper. The substance remain, so this is a physical change. And also chopping an apple, a physical change. Mixing water and oil. You know what? When you mix oil and water, there are no changes. No new substance is formed. So a physical change. Mixing flour, salt, and sugar. Physical change. Filling a candy bowl with different candies. Physical change. Trimmed hair or trimming hair. Physical change because no new substance is formed. Remember, the appearance of matter changes in a physical change, but its chemical identity remains the same. In a physical change, take note that at changes of state, changes from solid to liquid or gas, and vice versa. So these are the changes that we undergo. Separation of a mixture, physical deformation like cutting, denting, and stretching, making solutions like special kinds of mixtures like paints, but there are no changes. So physical change. I hope you've learned something. If you have questions, please comment down below. We have here questions you can try to answer. Ayan. Then we have also answers. You may check your answers too. And true or false, try to answer this one and comment your answer below. Yan. So, can you think of other daily examples where matter changes form but remains the same substance? Yes, comment down below. Learners, just as we see physical changes in nature, like water turning into ice or steam, our lives also change when we accept Jesus. While physical changes are temporary, God's transformation in us is permanent. Through Christ, we become a new creation, leaving behind the old and embracing a new purpose in life in Him. Therefore, if anyone is in Christ, the new creation has come, the old has gone, the new is here. In Second Corinthians 5:17. While physical changes are temporary and often reversible, our spiritual transformation in Christ is lasting and profound. Thank you for watching. This is Teacher Maria of the Q's Academy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this to your friends, and comment what will be our next topic. God bless.